Hi guys, how are you? Good morning. Let's going to start with our class today. Vamos a dar inicio con la clase de hoy. And today we are going to answer our bust up. El día de hoy vamos a resolver nuestros ejercicios de bust up. So, if you already get joined to the transmission, please write your name and the word I'm here. And I'm going to take your assistance, right? Vamos entonces, por favor, si ya se unieron, por favor escriban su nombre y la palabra I'm here para que yo pueda tomarles la asistencia. Como les decía, el día de hoy vamos a realizar el bust up, vamos a resolver nuestros ejercicios, ya que el día viernes, remember that we are going to have our flower festival, right? Recuerden entonces que el día viernes en clase vamos a tener nuestro Festival de las Flores. Bienvenida, Bianca. How are you? Let's going to start with our class today. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes. I don't know if you are having or if you have troubles to find the transmission. No sé si están teniendo problemas o si tuvieron problemas para encontrar la transmisión. So, let's going to start. Complete the sentences with the words below. Complete las oraciones con las palabras de abajo. And we have here, blind, poor, jobless, accused, elderly. Blind, that means ciego. Poor, that means pobre. Jobless, that means desempleado. Accused, that means acusado. And elderly, that means adulto mayor. O, sí, anciano. It can be, we can say. So, let's going to start. Vamos entonces a dar inicio. And I'm going to remember that if you ahora sí. Vamos entonces. If you are using headphones, si están utilizando audífonos, remember please that it has a lot of sound, so it can be hard for you. Hi Gabby, how are you? Welcome to the class. We are talking about this exercise. Estamos resolviendo nuestro folleto porque, como les decía, el día viernes en clase vamos a tener nuestro Festival de las Flores, así que entonces para que ustedes puedan tomarlo en cuenta, ¿ok? Hi Esteban, good morning, how are you? Bienvenido Esteban. Hi Arlet. Voy tomándoles asistencia entonces, Esteban and Arlet. Okay, remember too that the next week we are going to have our test, right? Recuérdense también que la siguiente semana, dependiendo los horarios, no los tengo aún, pero me imagino que los van a publicar en entre hoy y mañana, los horarios de exámenes, ¿verdad? Para que ustedes lo tomen en cuenta. La siguiente semana estamos en exámenes, por favor. Y entra todo el contenido de la unidad número 4, ¿verdad? Para que ustedes puedan recordarlo y puedan estudiar. So, let's going to start. The government should create opportunities for el gobierno debería crear oportunidades para los blind, poor, jobless, accused, or elderly. What do you think? Bienvenidos Carlos y Jonathan. I'm taking your assistance. Ok, ahora sí. Vamos entonces. Dice blind, that we say that are ciego o ciegos, perdón. Poor, pobres. Jobless, desempleados. Accused, acusados. Elderly, ancianos. Welcome Ilse, how are you? Okay, let's going to try to make it. Hi Arana, welcome to. I don't know, I said at the beginning of the transmission, if you have troubles to find the class today, no sé si tuvieran problemas para encontrar la clase de hoy, because I have to wait like 3 or 4 minutes, I think so, to get joined to all of you, para que todos se fueran uniendo, entonces, I don't know. Esteban said, poor, let's going to try, okay, poor. No, it's not poor. I'm sorry. It's not poor. Number one, it's not poor. The government should create opportunities for the... El gobierno debería crear oportunidades para los, o para él, o para la. And we have blind, poor, jobless, accused, and elderly. ¿Qué página es? Estamos en la página del Bust Up. Espérenme, me voy a salir y luego voy a... Página 58, ¿ok? Página 58. Ahora sí, se están usando sus audífonos. Remember, please, to take care. Ok, ahora sí. Página 58. Jobless. Let's going to try. Jobless. The government should create opportunities for the jobless. That's correct. Muy bien, Ilse, correcto. Página 58 es la que estamos trabajando. O bien, si tienen su folleto, pues los ejercicios del folleto. Bienvenida, Fátima. Let's going to continue. Vamos entonces y vamos avanzando. Number 2. They are going to be judged tomorrow. Los serán juzgados serán juzgados mañana. Number 2. They are going to be judged tomorrow. Remember that we are making like a review of all the unit. Estamos haciendo como que un repaso de toda la unidad, los vocabularios, la gramática. The next week we are going to have our test. La siguiente semana vamos a tener nuestros exámenes para que ustedes lo tomen en cuenta. So, ¿quiénes van a ser juzgados mañana? Blind, poor, accused, elderly. Jobless, dijimos que eran desempleados. Blind, poor, accused, elderly. Remember that these nouns, recuérdense que estos sustantivos se escriben en singular pero hacen referencia a un grupo, right? So we have to understand it in plural or translate it into plural. Recuérdense entonces que debemos entenderlos como en plural o hacer la traducción al plural. Okay, Fatima said accused. Let's going to try. The accused are going to be judged tomorrow. That's correct. Muy bien, accused. Correcto, Fátima. Bienvenida, Gaby. It said accused. That's correct. Number 3. They need some respect and care. Los necesitan respeto y cuidado. Blind, poor, or elderly. Blind means ciegos. Poor means pobres. Elderly, adultos mayores. Hi, Guillermo. Okay, vamos entonces. It said poor and blind. Let's going to try first with poor. It's not poor. Let's going to try with blind. It's not blind. No es ni poor ni blind. So obviously it has to be elderly. Entonces, obvio que tiene que ser elderly. That means in Spanish, adulto mayor. The elderly need some respect and care. Los adultos mayores, ¿verdad? Necesitan respeto y cuidado. So, the elderly need some respect and care. The scientists are making a device for the hopefully they will be able to see in the future. Los científicos están haciendo dispositivos para, esperamos que puedan ver en el futuro. We hope they be able to see in the future. So, in the number 5, it said for blind. Let's going to try. Blind, that's correct. And I'm going to show you the last one that obviously is poor. The company donate money for the poor. This is will help them, to survive. Blind, that's correct. And the last one is poor. Y la última es poor. Correct. Vamos entonces. It was easy. Remember, we are making a review because these words are in some occasion easily confused because they are not written in plural, but they refer to a plural group, right? So you have to understand it, or when you translate it into Spanish, you have to translate it into Spanish because as you can see that all of them are in singular because they don't have additional s or something like that. So jobless, desempleados en plural, okay? They are talking about all the people that doesn't have a job. Accused, acusados, all the people that have received a judge. Elderly, adultos mayores. Blind, los que no pueden ver, ciegos, okay? And poor, the people that doesn't have money. Las personas que no tienen dinero, okay? Let's going to continue. Vamos entonces. I don't know if you can solve your brochure. Como les dije, today's class is to talk about our brochure. Es para poder resolver nuestro folleto. On Friday, we are going to have our flower festival, okay? El día viernes vamos a tener nuestro festival de las flores. You have to make your writing part, look for your questions, make your poster, and also you have to have some decoration for the class, ¿ok? Entonces no se les olvide, el viernes tenemos nuestro festival de las flores. Bienvenido, Emerson. Perdón, estaba tomando asistencia, ok. Viernes, flower festival in our class, ok, el festival de las flores. You have to have your written part, deben de tener su parte escrita. Also, you have to have your poster, deben tener su póster o su cartel. And also, you have to have your information to talk to your partners what they think or what they know about the flower festivals, ¿ok? Aparte, deben de tener sus preguntas y su información lista para que podamos preguntar y responder con respecto al Festival de las Flores. And that will be everything for Friday, ¿ok? Eso va a ser todo para el día viernes. Don't forget, next week we are going on test, right? No se les olvide que la siguiente semana estamos ya en el examen, los exámenes finales de la unidad, ¿verdad? Welcome, Natalie. How are you? Vamos entonces. Exercise number 2. Avancemos al ejercicio número 2. Read the definitions below and correct the mistakes in italics. You don't have the mistakes in italics. You have the spaces en su folleto. Ustedes tienen los espacios como tal para que ustedes escriban. En este caso los tienen que corregir. So, let's going to correct. Vamos entonces a corregirlo. Dice, big cheese means to tell someone a secret that you shouldn't tell them. Big